In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look up an address on Google Maps safely and responsibly. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage or directly to Google Maps. If you're starting on Google's main search page, type Google Maps into the search bar and click on the Maps result. This will bring you to the main Maps interface, where you'll see a large map and a search bar at the top. Before you search for any location, it's important to be mindful of privacy. Use Google Maps only to find places you are legally allowed to visit, like your own home, a business, or a location someone has explicitly shared with you. Never use it to stalk, harass, or invade someone's personal privacy. Treat location information the same way you would want others to treat yours. Now, let's go over how to look up an address. At the top of the page, click in the search bar. Here, you can type in a full street address, a place name, or even a city and postal code. For example, you might enter something like a street number, street name, city, and region. As you type, Google Maps will usually suggest possible matches in a drop-down menu. Choose the one that best matches the place you're trying to view. Once you select a result or press enter, the map will zoom into that location. A pin will appear on the map, showing you the approximate position of the address you searched. On the left side, or in a panel, you'll often see more details such as the place name, directions button, photos, and sometimes reviews if it's a public place or business. You can zoom in and out with the plus and minus buttons on the map, or by using your mouse scroll wheel or touchpad gestures. To explore the surrounding area, click and drag the map to move around. If Street View is available, you can drag the small yellow person icon onto a blue highlighted road to see ground-level imagery. This is helpful for recognizing landmarks and understanding what the area looks like. But again, use it respectfully and avoid sharing sensitive visuals of private homes without permission. If you need to save the location, you can use the Save option, which lets you add it to lists like Favorites or Want to Go, making it easier to find later. And that's the basic process. Open Google Maps, type a valid address or place, select the correct result, and then explore the area while respecting privacy and local laws.